Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is really nice that you have come here, and I am sure you want to find some information about Google Meet. So this is the right place. Now in case you're new to my channel, please consider browsing through the channel list that is popping up right now. Please go through that. You will definitely find videos that will be informative for you in case you are educator, teacher, student, or even you are from the corporate world. It will definitely help you in resolving your day-to-day issues. Please consider subscribing to my channel as always, and do not forget to please press the like button and share this video with all your friends and families, because this is going to be informative and I am sure you will want to have this word spread. So this is Sonit from Techie Trickle. So now what is the good news that we have from Google? Google has now released that Meet is going to be extended till March 2021. Yes, March 2021. And they have also stated that all the features that were existing, that would still be there for us to use it, and it is becoming very popular. So Meet versus Zoom, if that's what you want to ask me, I would definitely vote for Meet because it is outstanding, and I have lots of educators telling me personally that this is something that I am doing in my channel that they are really liking and they are finding it informative. In case you are also finding some of my videos informative, please do let me know in the comments below. I will definitely like those, and if you want some other videos on Google Meet, please let me know, or even on other subjects, please do let me know. So there are two videos that are coming up right now on your screen. One is how you schedule a Google Meet. So if you still do not know how to use it, that would be the video to start with. And if you are using it and you are facing some issues, so please consider watching those videos after this video ends. So till the next time, bye bye.